Hi, welcome to Examhood. We are still treating mathematics questions in primary 5. We're still looking at mathematical questions in primary 5. So today we are still treating an area of shapes. So now today we want to look at area of a parallelogram. What is a parallelogram? A parallelogram is a shape that in whose the opposite sides are parallel. The two opposite sides are what? Parallel. If you look at this shape, this is a parallelogram. This shape is a parallelogram. The two opposite sides, these sides BC and, in fact, BC is parallel to what? AD. BC is parallel to what? AD, while AB is parallel to what? CD. So this is a typical parallelogram because the two sides are parallel. So how do you find the area of a parallelogram? It's very simple, it's very straightforward. To find area of a parallelogram is area of a parallelogram is what? Base times height. Is what? Base times height. Very straightforward. And this shape, from here to this point, AD is a base. So according to this shape, the base here is 7 centimeter, while the height is B from here to this point. The height is what? 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter. So by the time you multiply 7 times 4, that will give you what? 28 centimeter square. So this is how we can solve area of a parallelogram. Remember, I said parallelogram is a side in which the two opposite sides are what? Parallel. And when you say two opposite sides are parallel, that means no matter how far you produce them, they will never meet. They can never meet. And so this is the final answer. So to solve area of a parallelogram, just multiply the base by the what? By the height. I'm going to have your answer. This is Examhood, your favorite educational platform. We are here for you. Continue to like our videos and share all our videos. If you have any problem as you're going through our solution, just drop your comment in the comment section or your challenge in the comment section, and we shall attend to them. See you in our next video. Bye.